When I'm going on a major trip like Wakatobi or Yap, for example, I'll usually start packing my camera bag a couple weeks before the trip. Part of this is because you want to make sure that you don't forget any parts or pieces, but also you need to pack carefully so that nothing breaks in transit. And then also you're going to want to make sure that your bag weighs in at less than 50 pounds. In addition to that, I'll always have a spare parts kit with me. And inside that spare parts kit would be all the O-rings that would go into either my housing or my strobe. Spare batteries for basically any of the parts and pieces and devices that I'm using. I like to keep a hanging scale with me, a small hanging scale, so that you can weigh your bag on the way back out. And also I like to carry a spare sync cord. Particularly, I carry also 2 domes with me. I like to have a compact dome with me for general diving, especially free diving, snorkeling, anything fast swimming, like shooting dolphins. But then I also like to carry a full 8-inch dome with me because I prefer the bigger dome for shooting over-unders and just kind of nice, general, easy reef dives. If you need any help assembling the spare parts to take with you on your trip, all of our parts are listed on the website. If you're unsure, just contact us at Ikelite@ikelite.com.